Hey everyone! So today I'm going to show you how I created this peekaboo sunset fringe. Take a large slice at the bottom of your client's fringe. Split the slice in half and backhome your first piece. Gently comb the mid-shaft and ends back out and then repeat the same steps on the other half of the slice. Take away a small section from the slice. This will help with the blend of natural colour and the vivid colours. Place your foil under the hair and brush the backcombing out of the way. Apply your lightener in a W formation, making sure to fully saturate. Fold your foils 3 times to avoid disturbing the bleach application. My next section, I have painted another W but with a higher middle P. Take another large section, but this time leave a section in between. With this section, I have painted a few higher peaks. I want to keep every section different to achieve a natural blend of colour rather than a solid line. I now move on to take in another wide section, but weave rather than slice. Again, this is to create a natural blend. I also remove the outside of the edge of the fringe as I want this to remain brown. This is my last piece to lighten, and this time I have chosen to do a diagonal back painted section. I like to fold the foils back to allow my client to be comfortable. Okay, so I am now using a vivid orange and a vivid red to achieve this look. The brand I used was Crazy Colour Direct Dye. I didn't overlighten the hair as the colours I have a warm undertone and will cover well. Go through and pick the blonde pieces back out. You can now apply your vivids. Here I am doing a red flash at the front, blending into orange with red tips. I like to do more than one colour in each foil as it creates a softer finish. My next foil is red melted into orange. And my final foil, I'm going to do a V technique and fill the middle with red. I then went through and added some direct dye on pieces that I didn't lighten. I like to do this to add a little bit more of a pop to the fringe. Okay, so here's the final look. I really enjoyed doing this sunset vibe. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment below and make sure to like and follow my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!